Training in Italy, I had, of course, heard of Alessandro Safina, and I always wanted to work with him, do something with him. So I rang him and said, would you like to do a song with me on this album? I think I have the perfect one for your voice. And to have him singing on this performance was a pleasure. And he's a lovely man, beautiful looking, beautiful Italian tenor, and with a gorgeous voice. So it was perfect.
Quando penso ai giorni che ho passato insieme a te, io vorrei che tu tornassi qui per non lasciarmi mai. Chiudo gli occhi, ci sei tu, come non pensi più, tu sarai sempre qui.
Just send it to the side.